At a press conference held today, the former Sordar of Nongpyrdi village under Mawkynrew Block, Nongrum, had made certain clarifications against allegations made against him on the implementation of the Watershed scheme in the village. Speaking to media persons, the Sordar of Nongpyrdi, Nongrum, said that all allegations made by one Philip Minsong and Yaine Mukim of Nongpyrdi village and one Louis Dotdong on the distribution of the Watershed scheme to beneficiaries are baseless. Nongrum informed that as per allegations, the amount sanctioned for the scheme since 2011 had been individually withdrawn by him. To this, he outrightly denied by saying that he had only taken over as Sordar of Nongpyrdi in 2015 and all of the sanctioned amount of the Watershed scheme was disbursed to the rightful beneficiaries. To support his claims, he also informed that photographs and all project-related documents are in place.
Supharap begini ki ulision ni kidur kidar shalom shawa tipat kelir yang ni ba hamno pitrai pila ya kata kam kelir kunta rei musu shon da kidur kidar kunta klem yo I rei kumbala ya thok syai menta kadon ke badang sa bat kadon ke ba la penduk no kemari yang harus saudari kabangim la ban yo I duri yo I darsu nagaliang ko chonga to ngila pha ya ki visionaries kunta bat ka we kata kalong deng gamar ba hai ne I chung pentrai chonga te gamot ngam ken maus ngire ban namar pi I kalong bangim pan epik de kata kadaw mar ya ine baro ngila si penrung be kerteng kunto te nagaliang ko chonga kum bakala kunta man boy kan mau ba kan long kumno kan wan kumno ngasumut ong bakat tang ban supen rungi tai kerteng bat ya kepistakan ya dek man pentrai bakat